So why do I have to buy Bitcoins first? Do you know that in the same way that dollar is the universal currency, Bitcoin is the universal currency for the crypto coins. You can trade Bitcoins for Ethereum, Litecoins, Dash, Monero, and all the other currencies. In the same way you can trade dollars into reais, euros. So now I'm going to explain to you. Bitcoin. Why should I buy the Bitcoin first? Well, this is actually simple to respond. In any exchange, you will never see the equity or the currency conversion from Brazilian reais to any other currencies. So 99% of all the currencies are from out of Brazil. So in Brazil, you only see some currency exchange who do international currencies that can do this. Mercado Bitcoin.com.br. It's one of a few ones in which you can buy some of the crypto coins in reais, let's say. So the answer is quite simple. In the same way that dollar is the universal currency in the world, if you go to France, if you go to Africa, so you'll be able to use your money in many of these places. But if you take reais to many of these countries, it will simply not be accepted. So if you have the Bitcoins, you can trade it for all the other currencies. So it's accepted for trading in all the other currencies. So in some of the other exchanges, you also have the currency exchange rate from US dollars to the cryptocurrency. So the first thing you need to do, you need to send dollars inside your exchange. So from the dollars to your exchange, you can actually purchase cryptocurrencies inside the exchanges. And when you're using Bitcoin, you can use you can purchase actually all of the other cryptocurrencies using the Bitcoin. So when you're buying, we say buying, but you're not actually buying Bitcoins. You're trading your currency for another cryptocurrency. Let's say a Bitcoin for a Litecoin, for instance. So let me just update it here. Just a second here. Let me update it again. Okay, now it's updating. So at any given moment, I could type, let's say that I would like to buy or trade 10 Litecoins into Bitcoins. So in the actual price, that is 0.081. So this is the actual price for Litecoin. So let's say that in this price, I would like to buy 10 Litecoins. So the amount of Bitcoins that I should trade, it would be 0.182, let's say. So if I wanted to buy 300, I would have to spend 5.4989 Bitcoins. So I'm always trading my Bitcoin to another cryptocurrency. This is the only reason that would make us buy the Bitcoin first. We need to trade Bitcoins, reais, Brazilian reais to Bitcoins. Because in Brazil you have a really huge amount of Bitcoin trading, so the Bitcoin is around $10,718. So if you're buying this from another country, let's say in one Bitcoin, 10,708 times 3.24 Brazilian reais to dollars. So you would actually spend 34,693 Brazilian reais. So because the demand in Brazil is really high, the price comes down to 36,075 reais. So to round it up, let's say 36,000. So imagine that you're spending a bit more than 1,000 reais more just to buy the Bitcoin in Brazil. And this will then allow you to exchange this Bitcoin into another currency. So this is pretty simple and reasonable to explain to you why we should first purchase the Bitcoin.